If not that, then something better. That is what we're going to be talking about. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. Have you ever experienced not getting what you wanted? I'm sure you have. What was it that you wanted that you didn't get? Share that in the comments with me below. What was it that you wanted that you didn't get? I'll share with you what it was for me. About 6 months ago, it was something big. We were in the market shopping for a new home. And in the market, at least here in New Jersey, we quickly learned that homes were selling not just above asking price, but well over asking price. $50,000, $75,000, $100,000 over asking price. During this time, we made offers on 3 homes and didn't get them. In fact, on the 3rd home, we felt quite confident that we were gonna get it, but we didn't. We happened to be the 3rd best offer out of 15 that came in. The home went to a person that offered quite a bit more. Initially, I had felt a bit deflated because this 3rd home was seemingly the perfect home. But I didn't allow myself to hold on to that deflated feeling for long. I had been in conversations with God about this, and I kept saying all along through the experience, if not that, then something better. Well, it wasn't long after our offer on the 3rd home fell through that I just had this really strong feeling that we needed to step back and reevaluate our situation. And a decision was made to just stay put and to move forward with some home upgrades that I've been wanting to do for some time. And because of this financial flexibility, I've been able to let go of some things which created some freedom to move forward even in my business. I look back now in just utter amazement that the gift, the opportunity I was able to receive was literally right under my nose and I didn't see it. Ironically, about 6 weeks after this decision was made to stay put, the wheels were put into motion with that decision, and the perfect house, which we didn't get, actually went back on the market. The original deal fell through. We were contacted about the offer we made and informed them that we weren't interested now. A few weeks later, we noticed that the house sold for the exact price and in the same time frame our original offer was made for. In this, I just sat back in complete disbelief because we were not supposed to be in that house. We were, in fact, supposed to be staying put. As events in my life and in the world are playing out, I am really very aware of the divine intervention that was in play here. I don't believe there are any mistakes when we're paying attention to where our heart is leading us to go. So I want to encourage you, if there is something that you want and you don't get it, keep saying out loud, okay, if not that, then something better. If not that, then something better. And if this message is inspiring or speaking to you, like and share this video. This informs the social media gods that you have received something valuable from it today, and they'll go ahead and share it with more people to receive it. And I'd also like to invite you to join my free online community, ProEmpowerment Online, for even more. It's free to join, and I've dropped the link in the comments and description box below. So until my next video, be well, be healthy, and be empowered.